are carrying the mental load for everyone else, then this video is for you. Welcome to Nurture Our Nature Counseling. I'm Hilke and I'm a holistic counselor and wellness coach. And many of my clients are super busy. And they're not just busy doing all the tasks for everyone, they are also carrying the mental load. And you probably know this. And statistically speaking, never mind that it's 2025 and we're all very modern, women still carry more of the mental load, and this is exhausting. It will especially affect you if you are a perfectionist and if you have people-pleasing tendencies, and these two often go together and they often affect highly sensitive women more than the rest of the population. So you probably know that for whatever reason, you might be doing more of the household unless you're very lucky and your partner is super wonderful and on task and does half. You might be the one who runs the kids to school or picks them up again, who organizes after school activities, play dates, doctor's appointments, the shopping list, making sure you know what the family is going to eat tonight and tomorrow, what you're going to organize for the next holiday, thanking your in-laws for doing whatever. Usually these tasks, that's the mental load, and that is being carried by women most often. And that is a huge reason why highly sensitive women, people-pleasing women, perfectionist women will burn out. And of course, it's not just easy. You don't just click your fingers and change that. But there is something simple that you can try today, tonight. And that little technique is called delegate with choice. So imagining that it's the afternoon, you've done whatever you've had to do, you are frazzled, you've come home from work and you need to prepare dinner and you need to do the laundry because maybe the kids' school sports uniform is in there and they have sports tomorrow. And normally you would think about what you need to be cooking, maybe grab something from the freezer, check in the fridge, mentally adjust by ingredients what you're going to cook tonight, stuff things into the washing machine, maybe run into a bedroom to pick up something, and you're doing everything, you're frazzled. And maybe you become resentful, maybe you will then be accused of nagging, who knows? Or you just do it all and you're exhausted. Now, the technique of delegate with choice would be to ask for help and give your partner, or not help, for cooperation really, isn't it? And give your partner the choice. So first up, as always with me, is awareness. Become aware of what is going on. Become aware of the situation you're in and the tasks you have to do. Just, of course, but just be still and bring awareness to the situation, to your emotions about it, to your thought processes. And take a deep breath, slow down, and then approach your partner or maybe an older child in your family and say something like, "Hey honey, I'm feeling a bit frazzled. The laundry needs to be done for tomorrow and I need to or dinner needs to be prepared, and I'm struggling doing both, and I would really appreciate if you could help me with this. So which one would you rather do? The laundry or the dinner prep. So this process means first you've become aware of what's going on. You've calmed yourself down a little bit. And then you're approaching your partner or your older child or whoever is with you with intent. And you're explaining what's going on for you, because maybe this is just your thing, this is your role in the family, this is how things have always been. The other person might have no malicious intent by not pulling their weight, but they might also not be aware. So you're bringing awareness to A, the situation, and B, your feelings. So I'm assuming here that you are living with people who care about you. Otherwise, there might be different problems. And then you are explaining and then giving them the choice. So you're not just putting something on them, but you are signaling to them that I realize you are a person too, and you might have priorities and things you prefer. And then their brain is prepped in a completely different way. So I would love to hear from you in the comments or contact me anyway, how that's going for you, because this is a very small step towards lessening your mental load and having a little bit more breathing space in your life and just moving towards the life you want. If you want a little bit more help with setting boundaries that won't hurt so much and that are effective, I shall link to another video here or here. I haven't done it before, but I will today. And you can learn a little bit more about that. If your issues are running deeper and you would like more help on setting effective boundaries, on preventing burnout as a deep feeling, highly sensitive woman, please feel free to book a session with me. Link is, as always, in the show notes. I hope you have a fantabulous day. All the best. Bye-bye.